Mr. Honigman is looking to get an estimate for the walls on the side of his driveway. All right, first thing to note, this was just poured. So we are not going to be able to drive on here with a skid, and we should also protect it. Whether that is with plywood or tarps or whatever we do, we need to keep this looking as nice as possible, because I don't want to have that fight or that issue in the future. So this is once again on Upton. Nick, just so you know, Upton, kind of busy street, but not the end of the world by any means. All right, so we're on the left-hand side here. We are going 38 feet from the sidewalk here, stepping up. 15 feet in, we are up at 3 feet. So it's going to go from 0 to 3 feet within 15 feet, stepping up, and then it'll go level from that point to the end. The whole of this run is 38 feet. So you've got that. And then on the right-hand side, we're actually at 43 feet. So it starts off at 0, and this side only goes to 32 inches at its tallest, which is 15 feet in, and then it fades down to 12 inches as it comes along here. So just as a note, it kind of bumps in here, and we're ending it just before this tree because we just can't get to that point. So 38 feet on the south wall and 43 feet on the north wall. 32 inches on the north wall is the tallest height, and 36 on the south side is the tallest height. Material. So we're going to bid this 2 ways. We're going to bid this, actually, we'll bid it 2 ways, but we're also going to look to see, these are granite cobblestone paver things. The purple, I don't know what you call it. It's the purple ones. That's what this wall right here is, how this side was done. And the 4x4 by, I don't know, like maybe 10 or something like that. I told him that it'd be very difficult to find these, which he understood. So he does want us to look to see if we can find them. I told him that was going to be very expensive because they might have to make a special run for it, and we know we don't have enough for it over here. So, and quite honestly, we don't want to build a wall using cobblestones. So, I told him our best bet is to bid it as a road Chilton and this cobblestone wall. So this is going to be in the 4 to 5 inch range. So it'll be a 4 to 5 inch road wall where we're using half with Chilton and half with this cobblestone. So that'll be the first bid, is Chilton and granite. Obviously, and just as a point of reference, yes, this is running up at an angle. We are doing step up, so we're laying everything level with the ground. I did talk to him about that. So the second way is to use just Chilton, do an ashlar Chilton wall. And then he wants to have some drive-bys and some pictures of what those would look like. So, yeah, relatively straightforward. The hardest part is just we can't drive on this, so we have to do something to protect it, to keep it cleanish. So